everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Minty. Today is Saturday, it's my favorite day. And also today is March 14th. Do you know why I mentioned this date? Because today in Korean is White Valentine's Day. What is White Valentine's Day? I will tell you. As you know, February 14th is Valentine's Day. That day in Korean, all the females should give chocolate to the males. But today, they're gonna give us back. Yes, I also got chocolate from my husband. I'm so happy. So I gonna make his favorite food today. What is his favorite food? Before I tell you an answer, I gonna ask you a question. Do you know any Chinese food? I think not even I ask you guys, but also other foreigners. Most of you guys gonna say dumplings, right? Yes. Dumpling also is my husband's favorite food. As you know, we eat dumpling in Spring Festival, but now dumpling has become our daily food. We can eat it whenever we want to eat. I'd like to show you guys how can I make dumplings with my own recipe. Okay, let me show you the ingredients. I have minced pork, black fungus, and green onions, ginger, and this is shiitake mushrooms. I used the dried shiitake mushrooms, so I already put it in the room temperature water for 3 hours. So obviously, I'm gonna make a pork dumplings today. First, let's make the dough. I have prepared 250 gram flour. Now we need to add 2 grams salt. This is room temperature water. I prepared 125 milliliter. Pour the water with your chopstick to stir. Keep stirring. Like this. Now, I need to use my hand to knead the dough. I should wash my hand first. It's like this now. I'm gonna put this dough on the cutting board. Need some flour. Now, we should knead this dough for 10 minutes. Finally, 10 minutes has passed. You see this dough, miàntuán. Miàntuán is very smooth. Smooth, ruǎn. Okay, so put this in the bowl back again. We need cover it with a damp dish towel. Cover it with this damp dish towel. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna make this filling. The first, I'm gonna mince this black fungus. Actually, I used the dried black fungus, but I put this dried black fungus in the water for 3 hours in advance. Then I have blanched it for 1 minute. Now, you see, it's like a fresh black fungus. Chinese people love this black fungus. It's really good for health. We call this 黑木耳. Hei is black. Mu is a tree, is wood. Er is ears. It's like a tree ears. So we say 黑木耳. 黑木耳. Now, I will mince it. This is the minced black fungus. Now, I'm gonna deal with this shiitake mushroom. Shiitake mushroom. In Chinese, we say 香菇. 香菇. I also used dried shiitake mushroom. I put this into the water for 3 hours in advance. Now it's like this. I should mince it also like the black fungus. Slice it first, then I'm gonna mince it. It's easier than minced black fungus. This is the last 2 ingredients. Ginger, shēngjiāng. You just say jiāng, it's okay. Jiāng. And this is green onion, cōng. I also will mince them. Put this minced ginger with the minced pork. Last thing, we're gonna mince this green onion, cōng. Now I'm gonna put this minced shiitake mushrooms and black fungus, 香菇, hēimù'ěr. I will seasoning these fillings. The first I need soy sauce, jiàngyóu, 2 spoons of soy sauce. One spoon of oyster sauce, háoyóu. And some black pepper powder, 黑胡椒. I'm gonna wear this glove to mix them together. For the seasoning, the last I need some sesame oil, 香油. The filling is done. Now the filling is ready and the dough is ready. The only thing we need is dumpling skins. Knead the dough 3 or 4 times. I made a doll necklace. Okay, cut this. Roll it with this long stick. Now I'm gonna cut it. If you like eat small dumplings, you cut it very small. But I don't like too small, so I cut always like this. Dust both sides with flour. Press it. Roll this, but remember, this edge should be thinner than this center. Put some filling on this skin. I'm gonna introduce my own way to wrap these dumplings. Hold this side and let this side to meet this side. And do like this. Also this way, same. This is my dumpling. I'm done to make these dumplings. This is my dumplings. Maybe my dumplings shape is not the best, but the flavor is the best. Flavor is more important, right? For me, it's that. Now, we will boil some of them to eat. We will eat 10 dumplings. I gonna have diet. Maybe I gonna eat 3. My husband is gonna have 7. I will make some topping sauce while the dumpling boiling. Soy sauce, jiàngyóu, vinegar, 醋, and I'm gonna use some chili powder. This is chili powder, sesame oil. For the last, I'm gonna use this green onion. Instead of garlic, I use this green onion. Actually, you also can use some garlic. Now the topping sauce is done. The dumpling is done. This is the dumplings I want to share with you guys. Here I gonna share some words. The first one, of course, dumpling. We say 饺子 in Chinese. 饺子, 饺子. What do I use? I use minced pork, 猪肉, 猪肉, and black fungus, 黑木耳, 黑木耳, Shiitaki mushroom, 香菇, 香菇, ginger, 姜, 姜, green onion, 葱, 葱. So make dumplings. We say 包饺子. 包 is wrap. 包饺子, 包饺子. And I have 猪肉馅儿饺子. 馅儿 means filling. It's something inside. 猪肉馅儿饺子. So I have 2 sentences going to be shared. The first one is, let's make dumplings. 我们包饺子吧. You use 吧 the end of the sentence. It means let's do something. 我们包饺子吧. The second one gonna be, dumpling is very famous. 饺子很有名. Famous, 有名. 饺子很有名. Okay, this is today's video. I'm gonna have these dumplings with my husband. Hope you also have a nice day. Okay, bye.